Hello friends, this is Anjali Gupta.
My name is Vishal Kumar Singh.
We are the student of ABS Engineering College pursuing BTech from second year, Computer Science branch. Today we are here to tell you the working about our project, which we made it as our DLD mini project, that is laser door security alarm, which, as you can see. So basically we have implemented this project for the home purpose. We are trying to secure the home. We have implemented it on the doors of our home so that nobody can interrupt, or if anybody comes in, so we get notified. So friends, now I will tell you the components which we have used in this project. So first I would introduce you with those, then I would tell its working. So this is basically the laser light. This is our buzzer, our IC in which we have used LDR, transistor, resistor, and the 9-volt battery. The working of laser here is, laser is basically used for emitting light to the LDR, by which we can implement security, which will be further explained. This is LDR, light, this is also called photoresistor and light dependent resistor. This basically is inversely proportional to the light. The more the light, the less is the resistance, and vice versa. This is basically transistor BC547, and this basically this is used for amplifying the light. The maximum the light received by the LDR, it will remain in the cutoff region, and as the light gets cut off to the LDR, it will get into cut on region. And this is the transistor, resistor. This is basically the two-way passive terminal, which is used for between these LDR and transistor. And this is the battery, as I've already told, which is used for giving the power. And this is the buzzer, which will beep when it will stop. The continuity of the laser light will stop.
So friends, I am going to tell you how our project works in day-to-day life. So it's basically for the night purpose. So we'll connect the circuit and show you that why it's not working in the daylight. So we have connected the battery. So you can see that the sunlight is approaching towards the LDR. So it's not working. The circuit is totally not working. It will work only in the night. So if we will tilt our project, so we can see some beep sound comes. So to remove the beep sound, we have to make our laser connect with the LDR. When the laser light is connected with the LDR, no sound comes. As soon as some light interrupts, the beep buzzes. So it's the idea behind our project, that how can we implement this in our home. So friends, regarding our future scope, we can use our project in many crucial places, such as jewelry shops, banks, and at some places where mostly the important things are being kept. So this was all about our project. So have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you.